Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to get connects on Upwork for free. Connects are a virtual currency, but you don't always have to dig into your wallet to get more. There are a few different ways to earn free Upwork connects. It all starts with creating your Upwork account. First, go to upwork.com and click on the sign up button in the right corner to get started. When freelancers join Upwork, you may be asked to purchase connects or subscribe to our Freelancer Plus plan if you want to submit proposals. Once you choose one, we'll give you a one-time bonus of 50 connects to help you get started on Upwork. Each month, freelancers may receive free connects to help reach out to more clients. Freelancer Basic active accounts may receive 10 free connects each month. If you choose to upgrade to a Freelancer Plus account, you'll get 100 connects per month to help you find great new projects. Rising Talent badges are awarded to Upwork talent who exhibit great potential to deliver high-quality work. They establish this potential by looking at your recent Upwork activity, the work you've done on Upwork so far, and what you achieved with your prior work done off the platform. When you unlock the Rising Talent badge, you'll receive 30 free connects. Upwork skill certifications are an invitation-only process to complete a skills assessment that allows you to add a special badge to your profile. Passing a skill certification allows you to earn a one-time connects bonus. You can earn certifications for select skills in our web, mobile, and software development, design and creative, and customer service categories. Sometimes we like to give out free connects just because. These are usually part of a limited promotion and you'll receive a promo code to redeem the connects. To use a promo code, go to settings and select memberships and connects. Then click buy connects. Next, select an amount and enter your coupon or promo code. After that, choose apply and click the buy connects button. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.